Hello everyone. In this mini project, I'm creating a QR code generator using Python that converts a link into a QR code image file. In this example, I'm generating a QR code for an Instagram page called Learning Daily AI. Before writing the code, we first need to install the required libraries. The first library is called qrcode. This library allows us to generate QR codes easily using Python. So I install it using the pip install qrcode command. Next, I install another library called pillow. The pillow library helps with image processing and allows us to save the generated QR code as a PNG image file. So I install it using the pip install pillow command. After installing both libraries, we're ready to write our program. Now I open my Python file and start by importing the QR code library. This library allows us to generate QR codes from any text or URL. Next, I create the QR code using a simple line of code. Here, I provide the Instagram page link for Learning Daily AI. The program automatically converts this link into a QR code. After generating the QR code, I save it as an image file. Here, I save the file with the name qrcode.png. This stores the QR code inside my project folder as a PNG image. After saving the file, I print a confirmation message that says the QR code has been generated and saved successfully. Now, I open the generated QR code image. As you can see, the QR code is successfully created. This QR code contains the Instagram link for the Learn Daily AI page, and it can be scanned using any smartphone camera to open the page instantly. Overall, this mini project demonstrates how we can generate QR codes using Python with just a few simple lines of code. It also shows how external libraries like qrcode and pillow help us quickly build useful automation tools. Thank you for watching, and follow for more upcoming projects.